In this video, I will walk you through a detailed AgentSmith review to help you decide if an AI receptionist is the right fit for your business workflow. When we look at the comparison between a traditional human receptionist and the AgentSmith platform, the trade-offs are quite clear. A human receptionist offers emotional intelligence and judgment, which are essential for complex legal or medical concerns. However, AgentSmith wins on availability and cost. It functions 24/7, ensuring that no lead is lost to a missed call, whereas a human staff member creates overhead costs like salaries, training, and scheduling for nights or weekends. The standout feature here is the system's ability to handle predictable, repetitive phone tasks, such as answering FAQs about operating hours or location. While a human might get overwhelmed during busy hours, the AI manages consistent follow-up and appointment reminders without hesitation. It is a powerful tool for scaling, especially since it includes an agency platform for managing multiple clients. I found that the core strength of this tool lies in its speed and its ability to qualify prospects before a human ever needs to step in. It is truly designed for efficiency in routine business communication. If you want to see more comparisons like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments if you think AI can replace your front desk, and I will see you in the next video.